Okay, hello young scientists. My name is Joe Brem. I work for Rural Action. We're going to be collaborating with your class this year. And so we're going to do a little demonstration of how to use iNaturalist today, which is a powerful citizen science project. So let's get to it. Come on in here, Sarah. Okay. So iNaturalist is an app. There's a symbol right there, a bird. And you can see I'm quite obsessed with this, and I've done 2,657 observations. And this could be of anything, okay? Mushrooms, plants, insects, animals, animal tracks, etc. And, for your assignments, you're going to have to use the tab Observe. Okay, so we're going to click that. You've got the option of either pressing the green button to take a photo of something directly. In fact, let's do that right here. So we've got some kind of an insect, exuvia, which is like their exoskeleton. So I'm just going to hit the green button, photograph that right away. Hit next. Yeah, go ahead. Sign my life away. Allow access, sure. Okay. So we got the observation in there now. And the locations should be already automatically in there. If it's something sensitive, like if you find a rare species, you can hit geoprivacy and either go to obscured or private, which makes it harder for other people to see. And then, important question, what did you see? So I'm just going to click on that, and does an image search, and this may pop up and it might say, we're not sure what this is, here are our best guesses. But in this case, we're pretty sure this is in the subfamily Cicanidae, or Cicanae, I don't know how to say that. But translucent cicadas, pretty cool. So I'm just gonna err on the side of caution here and go with this more general classification. And then you hit share and it will go ahead and upload.